What up, what up, what up, everybody? Not really didn't really say I was gonna do it live, so trying to see if we could do this every morning. Letting my team know that we're on. Let's see if I can get this going. What up, everybody? All right, we're on now. Great. Just wanted to let everyone know that I'm on. Let me see if I can get this going. Channel. Let's see. Subscribe on YouTube. Yeah. All right, awesome. All right, not many viewers right now. Wait, 5. All right, cool. All right, let's kind of go over what we got in the markets. All right, we had a price upgrade from Apple. So let's kind of look at that. I had a lot of people ask me a couple things. So let me see if I can get this going. All right, so here we go. This is our tweet deck, which is what I use on a daily basis to kind of monitor Twitter. This is, for me, it's better to get the news this way than anything else. So this kind of gives me a way to look at everything, to kind of see what's moving in the market, what's shaking, what's the chatter. So looking at here, for example, I have a couple of trades open in Apple. Some of our guys have Microsoft still open, Tesla and stuff like that. We don't have Tesla open, we closed that. But looking at, let's kind of look at Roku together. So again, you can just put the dollar sign in front of this here. You can make a column, and then you can follow what people are saying about different stocks. Maybe make sure that the dollar sign is in front of everything. So let's kind of take a look at AMD together to see what people are talking about. Highest conviction positions, here and then the other. Again, you just want to read the tea leaves in a sense. Apple, again, we have an Apple position open. We have we have the 220s open. We just had a price upgrade on it. So let me kind of bring this up here. Tweet deck. Great. So I think I just retweeted it here on Apple. Where is it? Apple. Yeah. Price target raised to 368 by Morgan Stanley on iPhone replacement cycle peaking. Keep in mind, guys, that TweetDeck is free. So you can just download it and start following anything that we follow on Twitter. GA or Capital is our handle. So any of the guys that we follow are great to follow. Tons of news, and that's the way to go. Like Live Squawk, Delta One, Zero Hedge, Open Outcrier, Stockboard Asset, Forex Live. Those are the guys I kind of like to read in the morning. Also the Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg, which I own subscriptions on. So I moved it over because it's the best way to kind of see your guys' questions as I go. So good morning, everybody. Let's see. Sorry, I didn't get to answer the question. So let's see what you guys have this morning. Why do you guys not have the office anymore? We moved away from the office. We're working from home now because I am moving. I'm moving away from Miami, so I ended the lease. The lease ended in November. So I'll be moving to, forget the freaking name, Melbourne or Vieira, which is Central Florida. I'll be moving myself over there, and then I'll probably get an office over there. But for right now, since the lease ended, I'm just working from home, which makes life a lot easier, kind of keeps overhead down, and all of our team works remote. So again, I am moving in April, so they don't have short-term leases in our building, so that's the way it is right now. Bro, the green shoes this morning, money time. Yep, yeah, that's right. I got the money green Jays today. Money green Jays. What's up, Carlos? Good morning. Hey, thanks, Manny. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so any questions, guys? It's early morning. We got 20 minutes until the bell. A couple things I'm watching. I'm watching Tesla. You can see that we're chilling over here on the 100-day moving average. Most of the moves happen overnight. That's your shaded area. That's overnight pre-market. This is aftermarket, and this is pre-market here. This is, yeah, anything. This is your market here. You have pre-market and then aftermarket for the most part. Well, aftermarket, then pre-market. So these are after hours shaded, and these are your market hours, the dark box. So most of the movement happens after hours. So we're looking at Tesla here. We're chilling here on the 100. I like the target for 520 on Tesla. The thing is that it's expensive if you buy it far out. So again, you have to have a really set time that you really want to get in this trade. Probably closer to expiry than anything else. Like getting in on a Monday before expiry is going to be a little pricey. If it's outside your range, don't get in. It's just not worth your time because it's just too expensive and you're going to have too much risk on the board. Apple, I'm looking at 316.80. We're above that fib line that I was looking at. Again, the daily fib line, 423, right? That's the fib that we have. We should break that today, and we have the 320 calls. If we kind of get in, if we can get this level and get green before 1 p.m., we should be okay. Semi-bad news out of the China. Market shaking it up. Is there outside chance World War III can slow it down? Well, Brandon, to be honest with you, World War III is just not going to happen. I mean, I think everyone has this mentality that the world's going to end. I don't know why everyone's obsessed with their own demise. There's not going to be a World War III, man. The Iran thing happened over a day, and that was it. They moved on. Okay, just a heads up, if you're an entrepreneur or business owner, just go ahead and shoot me a DM on GA or Capital, and we'll give you guys a follow to support your brand. Just a heads up. Any other questions here this morning? Kind of seeing what we got. Okay, so we do our So I'm trying to work on doing like the morning note like you guys are used to. I remember everyone was really enjoying that. But with morning notes, I can't really show you the screen and just see my face. So that doesn't work. So the best bet is to kind of set up some kind of streaming so we guys can have a conversation in the morning. The ticker symbol for Dow Jones is $DJI. DJI. Excuse me. All right, so that's where we're moving. Let's kind of take a look together at some pre-market movers. We can go to Market Watch, pre-market, and you can see my screen. You'll always show the leaders and the laggards, and then the most active. The leaders and laggards I really don't look at because they usually don't have a lot of volume unless there's an issue, unless there's like some kind of earnings report. There's not much going on. But you could see CHK is moving, CenturyLink is moving, AMD is moving, Gap is moving, Schlumberger is moving, Micron is moving, Microsoft's up, Alcoa is up, Bank of America is up, Apple is up, Tesla is down 1%. You could see from 513 to 508. So that's where we are now. AMD I am looking at. An AMD I am trying to see if we can break that 5031 level. I'm going to go ahead and put an alert above that. If we break, then we can go ahead and buy some calls. Keep in mind, next week, the markets are closed on Monday, Martin Luther King Day. Michael, hey Mike, we don't trade Forex anymore, so I really don't put a lot of emphasis on it. So I can't really give you a dollar yen opinion because it's just been a while since I traded Forex. I really just focus on what I know, which is options. That's funny. Okay, so hopefully the video is resolution okay. making sure the resolution is good. So every morning we send our premium members a morning note, and I tell them, hey, futures are pushing this AM, the Dow was up, this and this and that, Microsoft pushing. We did a freebie yesterday on Microsoft. I told you guys about Microsoft. Let's see. This was the Microsoft. If you want to take a look at it, here you go. It was 18 hours ago. It was yesterday, right around 3. I did the Microsoft freebie. If you want to take a look at that, it's on Instagram live, and you could take a look at that. Very nice. If you caught that, you made some money. So kind of glad that we posted it public for everyone to take a look at. We just got some, okay. AMD just fell. I don't know if you just saw that. Look at this big red candle. I don't know what happened here. 40, okay, so I guess it was just a weird tick. Happens. It happens, man. Don't need to freak out. So there we go. Home Depot. I'm really interested in Home Depot here. I saw some call volume yesterday. We talked about it yesterday, and going over everything. Now we just had the housing starts, which was great, and I like Home Depot here. I really like this base breakout. Looks good. Okay, not in the office today. No more office. I'm moving to Central. Let me tell you guys again. Yeah, just a heads up, guys. I will be moving personally. Like Anthony, my business partner, our CIO, he's in Tampa. Just a heads up. So again, and I have Kevin, who's our VP. He's in Houston, and I also have our other VP, Nick. He's in New York, and then I have my other guys, Nick and Juan. The other Nick, they're in Miami too. Well, right now one of them is in Colombia, and then the other one is in Doral. So again, we're all spread apart. But I'll be moving operations to Central Florida because I'll be probably looking at buying some some property over there. And I'm just kind of over Miami as in general, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna actually be moving in April. So the actual lease ended in November. So they didn't have short-term leases. So I just ended the lease, which is right on time, November, and I got out. I mean, I literally live across the street from the office. Not enough. I mean, I'm still in that. I'm still across the street from the building. But again, for the most part, um, yeah, it's just that. I mean, I love the office. Don't get me wrong, but I am moving, so that's the reason why we don't have an office anymore for right now. I'll be setting up operations. It's either in Vieira or in or Vieira or some other name. I forget. It's another town in Central Florida. And I always forget the name. It doesn't matter. Anyways, any other market questions? We're gonna get started here in the trade right around 12 minutes left. So any kind of market questions? I got my coffee this morning, ready to go. All right, look at AMD. AMD's still going. Tell my guys. All right, just letting you know my team right now because we talk on WhatsApp for the most part. Thanks, man. The office is like home, usually where the heart is. Right? I mean, I love my place. My place is very nice. I mean, I have my setup here. I trade on an iMac, and I also have people always ask me, how do you do your charts? Like the little writing iPad. Way to go! The iPad's the way to do it. I do that on with a pencil, the iPad pencil. So it works for me for charting. Today, according to the Almanac, I want to take a look at this. I told you guys to get this. the Stock Traders Almanac. Today is the witching day and January expiration day, which is today. Improving since 2011, the Dow has been up 9 years in a row. 9 years in a row since 2011. That's pretty great. Been up 9 years in a row, the Dow. So we look like we're gonna have a green day for the most part. You do this every morning with the premium members, right? Not a video, just a tweet. We want to do more videos as we go. So we are still in the beta phase. All right, so that's where we are. Let me take a photo of this for you guys so I can post it on Instagram. Give me a second. Okay. Will we slightly see a dip in the markets midday? I don't think we'll see a dip today. I think we're going to end green for the most part. I mean, pretty much good vibes. Everyone's pretty happy. So, give me a second. So I just posted that Stock Traders Almanac thing for you. I just posted on Instagram. Do we see a slight dip? No, I don't think we see a slight dip today, man. I think we're going to end green. I mean, a slight dip, I mean, yeah, you're not going to just go straight up. I mean, I'm pretty sure around noon or 1 o'clock is usually the lunchtime snooze that we call it, where we slow down in volume. That's when usually things kind of slow down. So, any other questions, guys? So we can just wrap it up. I'm trying to see if we can kind of do some live market trading. That'd be really fun. We've done it before. I've done videos with live market, but then had to post it. But a live streaming video, that'd be fun. The main thing is that, do we have enough people who want to see it? That's the thing. So if you do like it, please feel free to let me know on the comment section on YouTube. Like the videos are very important. The more likes and the more subscribes we get, the more likely we're going to do more. I mean, if you guys don't like the videos, then it's kind of pointless. I mean, we want to do more of these videos to help you guys out. I've got a lot of people, some people asking that they like the podcast and stuff like that. Podcasts are nice, but again, this is probably the video, the screen, what you're looking at. This is what's going to make you money. This is going to help you in your trading. The podcast will just give you information for the most part. Yeah. All right, I guess we'll go and end it here, guys. All right, we'll end it here. Have a great rest of your morning. Maybe we'll do some mid-morning videos. Whatever you guys want, just comment below. If you like these kind of videos, if you want more, please let me know. Without your feedback, guys, forget it. I don't know what you guys want. We'll catch you guys later, man. Have a good one, guys.